Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here of Eduardo Plays. Make sure you like and subscribe. And this is Airplane Pilot Simulator. So we're gonna do level 1. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. There we go. Okay, so we got this. Okay guys. Oh shoot, this has actually all the things. This is perfect. Now, this is actually perfect. This is actually perfect. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this is actually crazy. Yeah, this is probably like the best game ever. Yo, there's no way. This thing is crazy. This thing is insane. Yo, can I just like fly forever? Or just I know there's gas. Yo, like, where am I supposed to go? We died. So that's the game. And now we're gonna be playing F-18. This thing with jet. Okay, I just really like this. That's why I love playing this. Let's see what they got. Okay, let's go. Okay, the joystick. So, oh, this one actually looks pretty good. What I don't like. What I don't like is that thing. It's just like makes it so annoying. What the heck? It's so annoying. This is just like makes it so annoying. I don't even know where I'm going. Where does it tell me to go? It's like telling me to go over here. Come on, this thing's so cool. Okay, there we go. I went into the box. Okay, no, it's going down. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. There we go. Slow down for landing. Go slow down for landing. Oh no, I'm not putting it down. Go down fast enough, I don't think so. I'm scared, so I'm just gonna drop. I'm scared that I'm not gonna make it. Oh shoot, that thing's far. That's so much. I'm the best pilot in the world. I just want to do cool tricks on this airplane, but I don't want to like mess it up, so I'm just gonna land. Okay. Now I'm gonna make sure that I'm going down, and I'm looking at the thing to make sure that I'm going at the right place. I'm gonna put it down to 0. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm doing it right. What? I'm gonna do one more game, guys, of this. And then I'm gonna do the last one. Let's go. Now I know exactly what I'm doing. I missed the thing because of this. Stupid. Oh my gosh, why isn't it? showing the thing that it's supposed to. It's not showing the wheel. It's not showing the wheel, guys. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going, you guys. I'm sorry. I don't know where I'm going. It's tilting up. I'm trying to go down. I'm killing myself. I'm eating everybody in this water. Sorry. Yes, sorry. What? I didn't even move the tilt up. Go back down. Yes! Okay, now I want to play one last game. Airplane. Oh, airplane? What the? This is like airplane game. That's not like that 3D. It's not at all like that stuff, so I'm guessing it's going to be better. I'm going to do New York. Wait, it has to download. Oh, that's San Francisco. I'm just going to do an island. Ooh. I'm going to do day. It's like a warm, sunny day. I'm not going to purchase none of this. I'm just going to go with this. No, the first one. Okay. So, San Francisco. Oh, this one looks pretty cool. That actually looks pretty fun. Let's go. Push down to take off. We've been taking off. So I see the island. It's actually not that far. Turn your plane until yellow. It's the yellow compass. So it says stay at the compass, at the yellow part of the compass, so I'm going to try that. So I'm going to go overhead it, like make sure that I don't want to like mess up like in all the other ones that I did. Oh yeah, I remember this game. I think I played it with my friend. I'm not going to say his name until he's in the video. Altitude, and it doesn't show the actual like gas, so I don't know if I'm running out of gas or like if I'm not. So I'm just gonna like do some cool tricks, pretend like I'm going down, but I'm gonna actually fly back up. Woo! That was not a cool trick. I don't know why I say woo. Oh shoot! I'm not going straight where it is. I think I have to go over the island. I'm gonna make sure that I'm going to go with the place. Oh yeah, I think it's in the sun. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. So I think I'm just gonna tilt to it. Make sure that I don't like go too high and pass it. No, I'm not gonna auto land right now. If I was an airplane, does it? Come on. Do it like how a real person does. Do it like how a real person does. Come on. Make sure that it goes. Make sure that it goes down. Okay. Woo! I landed it! Let's go, guys. Woo! I finally actually landed one. I'm going to do one last game. I think I'm actually going to like try to fly some people. So I'm going to do the 4,000. Unlock. No, I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to use, I don't want to go for the big one. So I'm going to go for this one. Loading, please wait. Okay, that's actually farther. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm going the wrong way again. And I killed myself. Woo! So crazy today.